So let's take a look at our box method to multiply out these two binomials. So you're actually going to form a actual little square box. And then what you do, you break up the box into as many different pieces as you have for terms in one direction as well as the other direction, depending upon how many terms you have. And the first one, I only got 2 terms, so I'm only going to need to slice it up 2 ways. The second one, I also have just 2 terms, so I don't need to slice it up like 4 or 5 or 6 different ways. I just need it as well, 2 pieces as well. On the top up here, you're going to be putting down your actual terms from each one. So let's take a look at the 5x minus 1 to begin. So I just put my 5x right there, and then the minus 1 will be on the back end. Include the sign as well. Down the other way, we'll do our 3x plus 6. So we got a 3x and then a plus 6. I like to actually put the plus there just so it really confirms to me it's positive. From there, I'm just going to be cross multiplying. So 5x times a 3x. 5 times 3 is 15. And then that x times that x would be an x squared. So hopefully that's somewhat review. Then we're going to go ahead and cross multiply the negative 1 times the 3x. Negative 1 times 3 is a negative 3, and then you got the x, and it's the only x, so that becomes a negative 3x. Then we're going to go ahead and multiply the 5x times the 6. 5 times 6 is a 30, positive, times positive is positive. You only got the 1x up there, so it's just going to be an x there. And then finally, we'll go ahead and cross multiply the negative 1 times the 6. Negative times a positive is a negative. 1 times 6 is 6. Our like terms, well, let's go ahead and just rewrite what we have then. So we have a 15x squared. There are no other x squareds anywhere. So 15x squared is the only thing we have. So I start off with that. That's the highest degree one. He's gone. Then we pick up our x's. We do have a negative 3x and a positive 30x. Those are like terms, so let's combine them up. 30 take away 3 is a positive 27x. They're gone. And then we got our constant kind of trickled on the end, little minus 6, and now he's been taken care of as well. So that is our answer. You can't combine any of those. They're all unlike terms, so you just leave it. And on one little note, your like terms are always going to end up being diagonal in the box. So when you're looking for your like terms, look diagonally. You'll see them every single time. So let's go ahead and have you try one, see how it goes, and then we'll go over it.